If you're someone who's thinking about getting a rook piercing but wants a little bit more information before actually doing it, then you're watching the right video. Hey guys, what's up? Hiro here from Lulu's, and we're all about creating unique ear styles to help you stay trendy while expressing your personal style. In this video, I will share with you 5 facts you need to know about rook piercings. Let's begin. Fact number 1 is the location of this piercing. For the location of this piercing, it is located on your ear, of course, in this upper region, kind of next to you or behind your forward helix, above your date. In that kind of ridge tucked in that region, that is considered an location for the rook piercing, not to be mistaken with the neighbor down below, the date or doth piercing. Fact number 2 is the jewelry option. Now, there's a lot of cool things you can do for this jewelry, curved jewelry, clickers, etc. But one of my favorite pieces are going to be the 14 karat gold Swarovski rook curve. Absolutely gorgeous stone. The Swarovski zirconia has more cuts in the gem or more facets to allow more light to shine in, emulating as close a thing to a real diamond. Very high quality piece of jewelry. If you're into gold, this is a great piece for you. If gold's not in your budget, we have something really cool. We have the Swarovski rook curve as well too. This one still not as nice as, let's say, as the gold one, but hey, this one's still a gorgeous piece. If you're more into silver, we have this titanium option. It is still safe for you. It's hyperallergenic and it contains no nickel, and it's also a second runner-up to this beautiful gold piece. But the titanium Swarovski curve is a great choice as well. If you're looking for some rook jewelry and many more, you can always check out lulusbodyjewelry.com. It's in the description section below. You can always click on the pop-out banner right here to shop directly from the video. Fact number 3, things to be careful for. Now, with rook piercings, of course, don't touch it, don't play with it, be careful when you sleep on it, and of course, be careful of submersion of any kind of water. If you're taking a swim in the pool, the lake, you gotta be careful and avoid those in the first month, I would say. But of course, after it's healed, you're more than welcome to go and swim, whatever, but just in the first healing phase, you don't do it because it's still fresh, open wound. You don't want any kind of foreign bacteria to lodge inside your piercing and cause any kind of problems or issues. No one wants that. We want a cute ear that can post on Instagram and show off to our friends. Fact number 4, healing time. So with this piercing, generally, you're looking at around 6 to 9 months, if not more. But of course, that's when you want to switch out of jewelry or anything like that. You're looking for that time range. So give it some time. Piercings heal from the outside in, so it does take time. Just be patient. Fact number 5, aftercare. So of course, aftercare, no alcohol, no peroxide, no oil, sprays, nothing that's intended or created for piercing aftercare, which is super important because it's going to be actually doing more harm than good to your piercings. All you want to use is a saline wound wash solution. Spray on the Q-tip, clean the top and bottom morning and night, and that is it. If you do work out, you can clean off after the workout or before you jump in the shower. Easy peasy. Like that, man. Super easy to take care of. Now, a little bonus fact for you guys is the pain. We get this question asked a lot for the pain. It is not as like a sharp, pokey pain like some of you guys might think of. It's more of like a pressure pain, similar to the Daith, but not as painful, I would say. I believe the Daith is a little bit more painful than that. So the pain you're looking at, I would say maybe like a 4 to 6 out of 10. So not too bad, but of course you wouldn't know the pain until you actually go and get it done and pierce, because everyone has different pain tolerance and everyone handles pain differently. If you're thinking about getting this piercing or you have one, you want to learn 5 important facts about that piercing, make sure to click on the pop-out card right here and go to watch that video. 5 important facts about industrial piercings.